What's up guys? Summer here and welcome to another vlog. So for today's video ay i-update ko lang kayo sa aming promos for this month of August, no? So sa mga gustong mag-inquire, just hit the message sa my Facebook page which is Summer Diamante Mitsubishi Grand Canyon Calamba. So let's start the promos guys. Hi guys! So, meron tayo ngayong naka-display na Destinator GT monotone. Naka-promo siya for only 68,000 all-in plus free 10,000 fuel vouchers sa Shell guys. So, ito naman yung ating promo for X-Force GLS CVT 2027. So, naka-promo siya for this month for only 38,000. And then, may free fuel voucher siya sa Shell na 10,000. So, ito naman yung ating Expander GLS automatic. So, naka-promo lang siya for only 8,000 plus free 2 years PMS, inclusions of oil, parts, and labor, plus 10,000 fuel voucher sa Shell. Nationwide yan guys ha, pwede nyo i-claim. And then yung next naman is yung ating Montero Sport na GLS automatic 2026. So naka super low down na siya for only 39,000 all in plus pre 1 year PMS, inclusions of oil, parts, and labor. And then may 10,000 fuel voucher din siya sa Shell nationwide. So guys, ito naman yung last promo natin which is the Triton GX 2027. So naka-promo siya sa banks for only 87,000 all in. So dress up na siya guys ha. Hindi siya yung standard. So ano ba marireceive nyo dito? Itong fender flare, body cladding, roof rain visor, plus etong passion bar guys. Ayan. So guys, for more inquiries, just hit the number on the screen which is 0951-276 and 6772. So our showroom is always open by 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. from Monday to Saturday guys. So pwede tayong mag-unit viewing, presentation, and test drive. So just call me on my number or contact me on my Facebook page which is Summer Diamante Mitsubishi Grand Canyon Calamba. So hope to see you on my next vlog and bye-bye!